and billiards. To play, start by facing a carom board between you and your opponent. Then, place the red piece, called the queen, on the middle spot in the center of the board. Arrange 6 white and black pieces around the queen in an alternating pattern. Then, arrange 12 more white and black pieces around the first circle of white and black pieces in alternating order. Determine who goes first by having one player hide a piece in one of their hands and turning both of their hands over. If the other player guesses which hand the piece is in, they go first. If they don't guess correctly, the other player goes first. The first player gets the white pieces, and the second player gets the black pieces. The first player places the striker piece on the baseline on their side. Then, they use their finger to flick the striker at the pieces in the center to break them up. If they sink a white piece in one of the 4 holes around the corners of the board, they pick the striker back up and place it back on the baseline. Then, they take another shot. The player keeps shooting until they don't sink a white piece. When they miss, the next player goes and tries to hit the black pieces into the holes. Every white or black piece that is sunk is worth 1 point for that color's player. If the striker ever falls into one of the holes or flies off of the table, it's a foul. The fouling player loses a point, and their opponent may remove one of the pieces they've scored and place it back on the center of the board anywhere within the circle. At any point in the game, a player can sink the queen. The queen is worth 3 points, but the player that sinks it must make one of their pieces on the next shot. If they don't, the queen is pulled back out and set back in the center of the table. The game ends when one player sinks all of their white or black pieces. The points are counted, and the player with the most points wins.